Alright, so here's my Elite. I had the front end basically taken apart. The reason why I did that is the last time I changed the fork oil, when I took it off, looked at the right here. Let's see, where's my pointer? Where's my pointer? So look right here. Yeah, you can see that. Or not. But anyways, there's a crack there. So basically the dust seal is a crack. So so I have to take off the dust seals now and replace them. So make sure you wipe everything off right here as best you can. Alright. Wipe it all off. Then you just basically start to pry it open. Use a flathead screwdriver, a small one, and just kind of go in here like so, and just kind of go around, work your way around, all the way around. So I just washed the bike earlier. So I'm pretty sure there's going to be water in here because that seal is not really fully sealed anymore because it has that crack. So yeah, so it's a little wet in here. Looks like water to me. And you blow it out. Blow out the water in there. So yep, it was definitely water in here. There's still some water left. Alright, that's gonna be as dry as I could get it, and that's so I leave it out in the sun or let it out, overnight or something. But anyway, so there's that. I wiped it up as best I could. So here is the part number right here. Right, Honda Dust Seal Shower. So that's a brand. They're kind of pricey. It's 14 bucks, basically 14 bucks each. So that's the new one. Nice and clean. Don't really have to do anything here. You could like lightly oil it if you want, but I wouldn't worry about it. Here's the original one. Everything looks fine. The main thing is that it's just because this bike is basically 10 years old. So once you get to a certain amount of age, it doesn't matter if you have a lot of miles or not, things start to degrade. So in this case, one of the things that degrade is, oops, I pushed it in too fast. One of the things that degrades is the it's rubber, soft parts. Right. So what you do is you want to push everything in evenly. So right now it's kind of one side's in more than the other. So I'm gonna push this side in a little bit, and you see I just basically pushing it in with my thumb. That's it. So that right there is the dust seal replacement for the fork. So now we just need to do the other side. So same thing. So if you're wondering how to take off the fork leg and everything, I have a video on that. If you look back in on my collection of videos, I have a bunch of videos on this bike. So that's it. So let's see it working. Yep, that's it. So we're done there.